What's up today, guys? I'm back with a quick hit video. This will be less than 1 minute about these new Intelliox tanks. Let me show you one. The Intelliox tank is an E-cylinder, just like you would normally see right here. You'll see the big difference is Intelliox on this side actually has a liters measurement, where this has pressure per square inch. The top of these tanks work just the same. You'll adjust the flow right here, and you'll adjust the flow right there. The difference is that when you turn the flow on, let's say in this case it's 3 liters, it's going to calculate the duration left in your tank. You're going to see here right now, this is about just under 3/4 of a tank. You can see by that reading right there, this has 427 liters left inside the tank. So it's not measured in pressure per square inch, it's measured in liters. So a full tank is about 600 liters. So as this thing is letting flow out, you're going to see it calculate a duration. Calculating the duration right now. Other things, you'll see it says calc on here. Other things you'll see, you also have a hookup on the side for any kind of, maybe port events or anything like that. There's also a hookup on this side, which is not commonly used. And if you look, this is in hours and minutes, so 2 hours exactly is how long this tank will last. The great thing about this is going to have 2 alarms on it. It's going to alarm once at 15 minutes to go, and it's also going to alarm when it has 1/4 of a tank. So if you're running on really high flows, you will get a little alarm. It's not a loud one, but it's a little bit of alarm. It's enough to show you. After that alarm, if you look down at this, it'll no longer say 2 hours, it'll just have lines across it. That means it's about to run out. The key is, of course, keep it very secured. Make sure you use these tanks until they're really, really low and then return them. So we can use much more of the oxygen out of these tanks. But it's a big patient safety initiative. We're the first in Indiana to use it here at Union Hospital. Super excited about it. It'll be up in Clinton the week after it's here. See ya.